Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how to track GA for e-commerce view item tracking. Okay, this is the first step for e-commerce tracking. So I will show you today only view item tracking. Then I will show you step by step. Okay, next. So first of all, we have to create a trigger for track the view item. Okay, that means view item means someone. This is your e-commerce website and someone visit your product for like this. Yeah, someone visit and Google Tag Manager actually track them which product a client saw, actually why didn't buy. The we actually measured this through the GA4. So Google Tag Manager actually work for GA4. It's actually breeze. So first of all, we have to create a tag for view item for send the data to GA4. Okay, first go to the trigger section and create a trigger. It's custom event. It's actually view item trigger. Okay, name the trigger. Now go to the tag section, create a tag. It's for GA4 measurement ID. I made it constant variable. View item. Okay, name the tag. Save. Oh, sorry. Add trigger. Yeah, a few minutes, seconds ago, we actually create view item trigger. Yeah, save. Okay, now preview. It's connecting, just takes few seconds. Yeah, it's connected. Go to the product section, just this product, blue denim shorts. Okay, yeah, I visited the product. Now, yeah, GA4 view item tag is fired on. Okay, but it's tag fire, but this tag actually doesn't send any e-commerce data to the GA4. Okay, so for the sending this data, we have to create some event parameter. Okay, data means the currency, the value, the view item. Actually Google recommend for the view item these three parameter, actually these three event parameter we should send to the GA4. Okay, so now go to the tag section, tag manager, and create some variables, these three variables actually. Okay, yeah, user defined variable, it's data layer variable. Okay, how we will create the variables. Okay, see the product section, data layer section. Under the e-commerce we have currency, value, and items. Okay, the e-commerce is the mother event, event actually. That's why I copy the e-commerce and next dot and next e-commerce. Okay, because the e-commerce is the mother variable, that's why we copy the e-commerce, then dot, then under e-commerce is currency. Okay, So name the variable DLV currency variable. Save. Next, another one, data layer variable, same procedure. Copy eCommerce dot, I have created currency. Next, value, copy and paste. It's actually case sensitive, so please make sure it's the small character and as same as the variable. Okay, variable section as same as. So name the variables dlv value variable. Next, last one, data layer variable eCommerce dot item dot items. Items variable. Okay, save. Now go to the text section and add these three parameters. These three parameters actually send product details to the GA4. So where is my tag? Yeah, 7 parameters, 2 3. Currency, items, and last one is value. Yeah, just click on plus currency. Next, items. Next, value. Yeah, save now. Preview again. Actually, I paused all these tags for the better understanding and simplification. Otherwise, many tags are fires. So yeah, GA4 based tag fire. Now go to the product section. View the product again. Yeah, yeah. View item tag fires. Now check the variables. We have create DLV items and it sends the all item information to the GA4. Another DLV value, its currency. Actually, if your website only one currency, you can uh, actually use that currency by character, but I for my cases I use dynamic currency value. Okay, so it shows the USD. That's all for today. Next video I'll show step by step full e-commerce tracking. Okay, just keep in touch. Thank you so much. Add to cart button. Okay, through the tag manager. Okay, this is my demo tag manager. Go to the trigger section. Yeah, create a new trigger. Custom event trigger. Okay, add to cart. Okay, cart trigger. Now go to the text section, create a new tag for GA4, measurement ID, okay, GA4 measurement ID and event name, okay. Add to cart event, okay. Add to cart tag. Yeah, trigger, add to cart trigger, okay. Just save now. Go to the preview section, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected, okay. View a product. Yeah, I actually created this tag on the last video, maybe you saw. If you don't see it, you please see first how to create a view item tag, then see the add to cart, okay. Now go to the add to cart section. Yeah, add to cart, okay. So our add to cart tag is fair, but this tag doesn't actually send any parameter to the GA4, so we need to add some parameter which is recommend from Google: currency, item and value, okay. The same parameter as the view item: currency, item, value. So now go to the text section, event parameter 2 3, okay. Just add to cart, okay. Currency, items and last one value. Yeah, sorry, this one value, okay. I created these three variables on the last video, that was view item, so please check them how I created this. First one currency, second one items, and last one the value, okay. Okay, done. Save. Now submit and publish. Done. For the check preview again, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected. View item, yeah, view item fire, add to cart, yeah, add to cart also fire. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for today. Next I will show the begin checkout. Guys, now we are going to show the checkout tracking, okay, through the Google Tag Manager. So if I click on the checkout button, so it will fire a event actually name the begin checkout. Okay, so we'll receive the event name begin checkout, just copy, then create a trigger. Okay, so new trigger, custom event, name the begin checkout. Okay, name the trigger, begin checkout, just save. Now create a tag, new tag. Okay, it's for GA4, GA4 measurement ID. I have created it constant variable, then event name begin checkout. Okay, now add the parameter. Let's check the Google recommended parameter begin checkout. Okay, currency value item. For my cases I don't have any coupon, that's why I will not make a coupon variable, just I will send these three event parameter. Okay, first one, just copy the currency, sorry, currency, next items, items, and next value. Okay, just add the parameters. First one is value, second one items, and last one currency. Okay, now trigger, begin checkout trigger. Okay, GA4, begin checkout tag, save. Now go to the preview section, it's connecting. Yeah, connected. Add to cart, view cart, and then view item, add to cart, and now checkout. Yeah, checkout tag fire. Okay, this actually sequential video. First you should see the view item tag, then add to cart tag, then begin checkout. Okay, next I will show the purchase. Thank you. We're going to see the final step, that's purchase. Okay, so previously I have shown all the steps for e-commerce, like view item, uh, add to cart, begin checkout, and everything. Today we'll go to see the purchase tag. Okay, first this is my demo tag manager and this is my preview. Okay, first we are going to purchase a product. First add to cart, view cart, okay, checkout. Here is the details and place order. Yeah, the final purchase done. I got here the view item tag fire, add to cart fire, begin checkout tag fire, next purchase. Okay, here the event fire purchase. So now we have to create a trigger based on this event. Copy, make a new trigger, it's custom event purchase, name the trigger GA4 purchase trigger. Okay, save. Now create a tag, new tag for GA4 measurement ID. We made it constant variable before, the constant variable GA4 measurement ID. Yeah, found it. Event name purchase. Okay, now here we have to add some parameter. It's Google recommended parameter. Okay, if you have affiliation you have to create affiliation, if you have coupon then you have to make coupon, but mandatory currency, view item, transaction ID, shipping, tax, value, these are mandatory. Okay, use parameter, add row. Now I don't have affiliation or coupon, so I'll start from currency. Okay, control C, just control V, because it's actually the character, uh, it must be the small character. Okay, select the currency, next items, now items, next the transaction ID, transaction ID, transaction ID, yeah, this is the transaction ID. Next shipping, control C, shipping, yeah, shipping. It's must remember this is the character sensitive, so if you make it the capital it will not work. Okay, it must be the small character. Sorry, wrong click. Then text, DLP text. Next last one is value, DLV for the value, yeah, value. Okay, now set the trigger, just create few seconds ago. the purchase trigger. Okay, name the trigger tag purchase tag GA4 purchase tag. Yeah, save. Now preview again. It's connected. Add to cart, view cart, checkout, customer details, place order. Yeah, it's done. Purchase done. Now, yeah, purchase tag fire. Okay, that's all. If you face any problem or you have any query, just comment below or WhatsApp me. I'll help you. Okay, thank you so much.